Merry Christmas 2020. We are here at Păltiniş Mountain. We are looking for the white Christmas, and what we have is white and green. Merry Christmas. A very nice view. If you want to visit Romania, don't forget to visit Păltiniş, the highest mountain resort in Romania. And this is what you expect. A lot of forest and green trees, the evergreen. And that's the evergreen, ladies and gentlemen. Also full of snow. The temperature is around 2 degrees. It's sunny day. And the time check is December 24, 2020. And the time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Romanian time. And now in the Philippines, the time is 8 o'clock in the evening, 24 of December, 2020. To continue our journey with my beautiful wife here, say hello. And this is the surroundings. And as you can see, we are only two here in the mountain walking up and up. So because it's a holiday, so we don't have... there is a truck coming in right here. Yes. And this is nice. So there is also some... Have you seen that? Wonderful. They drive up and up to the mountain just to find the snow. Wonderful. Hi, let's go, baby. Let's continue our journey. And because we are only two of us, we will not prepare something in the Christmas day. We'll just visit the mountain and take a fresh breath. A fresh air. Fresh breath daw. And also, what else? So let's continue the journey up and up. Up and up. So the forecast is no snow, no white Christmas. The snow will fall on 27 of December. But it's not much. So maybe in the city, it's only rain. Maybe it's in the mountain. It's a snow. That's why you see here, it's green and white. Do you really like it? Hi. Come and visit us here. We will entertain you. No problem. And that's it. You see? You see? Very nice. Have you seen that? Brown, green, white. Very nice.